Mastering English Phrases. Unraveling the meaning of dial in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, dial in. This phrase can be quite tricky because it has different meanings depending on the context it is used in. So, if you've ever found yourself puzzled when hearing or reading this phrase, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the various meanings and uses of dial in. In the most literal sense, dial in refers to the action of turning a dial on a machine or device to adjust it. Back in the day when phones had dials, you would dial in a number to make a call. Though technology has changed, the phrase is still used today to talk about adjusting settings on devices. For example, I need to dial in the settings on my new camera. In a more figurative sense, dial in can mean to adjust or fine-tune something until it is just right. This could apply to a variety of situations, from cooking to sports to work tasks. For instance, a chef might need to dial in the amount of seasoning in a dish, or a golfer might need to dial in their swing. Dial in is also commonly used to describe the process of adjusting one's equipment or technique to achieve optimal performance. This is especially common in sports and other physical activities. For example, a cyclist might say they need to dial in their bike before a big race, meaning they need to make fine adjustments to ensure it's in top condition. In a more abstract sense, dial in can refer to focusing intently on a task or activity. It implies a level of concentration and dedication to performing well. Someone might say they need to dial in to their work to complete a challenging project, meaning they need to eliminate distractions and give their full attention to the task at hand. So there you have it, the various meanings and uses of dial in. Whether it's making adjustments to a device, fine-tuning a skill, optimizing performance, or simply focusing intently, dial in is a versatile phrase that can be applied in many different contexts. We hope this video has clarified its meanings for you and that you feel more confident using it in your own conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.